Hey kids, welcome to the Axel show. It's just me this time, Axel's daddy. I'm here at a construction site and I'm watching an excavator dig a trench for a pipeline. Hey Axel, what's up buddy? Alright, well let's watch him work, okay? It's pretty cool. There goes his bucket. He's scooping up the dirt right there, right alongside the building. He has to be very careful to make sure that he doesn't hit any electrical lines or gas lines or water lines. Look at that. Swings it around. That's a mini excavator. It can turn all the way around. Look at it go. He has to be very careful not to hit that gate and damage it. It takes a lot of practice to learn how to work one of these pieces of equipment. It can scoop about 20 gallons per bucket. That's a Caterpillar mini excavator. They're laying down some electrical pipelines here. There's going to be a cell phone tower, so you can get reception on your cell phone and your tablets. Let's watch him get one more scoop. Pretty cool, huh? Pieces of equipment like this save people a lot of time on job sites. It can do the work that a couple men would have to do in order to get that much dirt up at one time. Alright kids, well if you guys are going by a construction site, stop by and have a look. Make sure you be careful though. Always stay far away from equipment like this. It can be dangerous, and make sure your parents are with you. We'll see you later. Get out and have your own adventure. Bye Axel.